Officers also observed blood on the hood of the car. The complainant stated that the defendant is her boyfriend who had come home and started asking her, "Where is the other guy at?" And then proceeded to punch the complaining witness in the face, causing bleeding.
Sir, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine.
Officer dispatched to service. Officers made contact with the defendant who had blood on his face near his beard and lips and denied that anything was happening. The officers then met with the complaining witness who had a large wound on the bridge of her nose and was still bleeding.
All right, sir, I'm going to find that there's sufficient probable cause to go forward with the case. There's a protective order that has been issued in this case. Get to know it. If you do something to violate the protective order, the state can and probably will file a violation of protective order. It's one of the worst cases you can pick up.
Your Honor, may I say, I spoke with her, as a matter of fact, yesterday. She reached out to me because she wanted to do an affidavit of non-prosecution, and she wanted this case to be dismissed, and she did want to have contact. Of course, I advised my client that there's a protective order in place, so regardless of what she wants, unless the judge gives permission, he couldn't. But from my understanding,
The state can confirm that, Your Honor.
You can confirm?
Wants contact.
Okay, so I am going to order you at this point not to have any threatening or harassing contact with her. You need to understand that what is threatening or harassing doesn't matter what you think. I don't care what you think. It's what she perceives. So if you go like this to her, that is most certainly threatening, harassing, and it can land you right back in jail. There's a lot of vindictive people in this life, and I don't know what kind of relationship you have with her. But if it's something that you're constantly butting heads, I'd be very careful because she calls and makes the slightest, you're the one that's going to end up back in there. Do you understand? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take off the residential restriction. However, everything in this order still applies, and it's stuff that you shouldn't do anyways. So make sure you read it and know what it is. You pick up a new case or you become a danger to my community, it's not going to go well for you. Do you understand? It's good. I hope so. All right. So we'll have you sign a reset. Don't leave until you sign our bond conditions, and after that, you'll be free to go. Thank you.
Madam,
Yes, ma'am.